Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys for super cute dresses that I got from Amazon for the summer season. They are all super classy, not too exposing. They are dresses that you can style in so many different ways. They are so very versatile and comfortable. So if that is something that interests you, this is the video for you. And another thing is, they are all under 1,000 rupees if I'm not wrong. I'll mention the price on the thumbnail and on the caption so y'all will know. So if you're interested, this is the video for you. But before we get into it, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video, and if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now.
Starting off with this beautiful blue denim dress. This is a midi dress and I absolutely love the color and structure of it. But Max has one huge problem, and that is that they do not have a particular size chart. If one clothing piece fits you in size small, it might fit you in medium or large in others. I got this in a size large and it is very body hugging on me. However, I want this dress to fit me a little loose, so I have to get it in a size extra large. It is made up of cotton, polyester and elastin and has no denim in it, so it's very stretchy and body hugging. At the price, it's a really good dress. Next up is this beautiful gingham dress. I absolutely love this one. Once again, I got it in a size large, hoping it would fit me perfectly. However, it is way too loose on me. I love the material. It's made up of cotton and it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It has buttons all over in the mid part from the top to the bottom, and they can all be opened. I love the neck and the sleeves. It is also very stretchy and you can just put the sleeves down a little and wear it as a off-shoulder top. The best part is it has two huge pockets. That's just amazing if you ask me. And the other best part is I only got it at rupees 800. This is another midi dress that fits quite long on me and which I love. At the price, it's a really beautiful dress that I have to get in a size smaller. Next up is this very beautiful balloon maxi dress. Balloon dresses have been going around for quite a while now, but mostly in minis. So I really wanted to try out one in a maxi, and I came across this dress and found it really cute. I love the cream color and the black detailings on it. It has quite a lot of net inside as well, which gives that fluffy look to it. It's made up of cotton, it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. I absolutely love the material. I got it in a size large and it fits me perfectly. I am in love with this dress. It's very classy, very feminine, and there are so many different ways it can be styled. It can be styled with a top on the inside, with a little cardigan on the outside, and so many other ways. At the price, it's a really good dress. Last but not the least is this beautiful ruffle dress with flower detailing in it. I got this one in a size large as well, and it is way too loose on me. It's a very boxy dress which isn't for short curvy girls. This is mostly for thinner girls. This dress doesn't complement my body type at all, although I love the color. It's very cute, very Valentine appropriate. I love the detailings and the ruffles in it as well. It's made up of chiffon and it's very comfortable, not itchy at all, but it might make you sweat a little too much in the summer especially. But now that rainy season is here, that's not going to be a problem. At the price, it's really good, but not really for my body type. If I had to keep it, I would get it in a size medium.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestions or requests, comment that down below and I'll definitely make a video on that. And I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.